Now we will learn how to solve questions using that relationships. Okay, so I have taken two examples here. First question is that find the value of tan 48, tan 23, tan 42 and tan 67. Okay, so this is one question. What we will do, we will convert two of the tans, right? Two of the tans which are complementary to each other into cot. Okay. For example, see 48 and 42. If you add these two angles, you will get 90 degree, right? So we can convert one of these tan into cot. How will we do that? See, tan 48. If you use the complementary angle relation, which is what, that cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Now theta here is what? 48. Suppose I am going to change this tan 48. So how can you write it? Cot 90 minus this 48 will be what here? Correct? 90 minus 48 will become 42. So in this way we have got tan 48 is equal to what? Cot 42, right? Or we can use a reciprocal formula also, right? Here reciprocal formula will not work. So cot 42, right? Tan 48 is equal to what? Cot 42. After that we will use the reciprocal formula. So and then again tan 23 you can write similarly. If you see 23 and 67, these are what? Complementary angles, right? So we can write 23 is equal to what? 67. You can directly write this, no need to go through this process. Just see if two angles are complementary angles, you can directly convert one ratio to another ratio. Tan to cot, sin to cos and sec to cosec, right? So now we will replace these values. Tan 48 will become cot 42 and tan 23 I have done cot 67. Okay, I have converted only two tans, right? Then cot 42 using a reciprocal formula, this will be what? 1 upon tan 42. Cot 67 is what? 1 upon so your all the terms will get cancelled and the answer will be 1. So in this way you can always convert one ratio to another ratio using our relationship, either complementary relationship or reciprocal relationships. Okay, let's take the other example. Cos square 26 plus cos 64 sin 26 plus tan upon cot, right? We know wherever square term is there, right, we need to use the fourth relationship, which is identities, right? We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. So we have cos square 26 plus cos 64 sin 26. The only thing which is different here is cos 64, right? And of course sin square is not there. So let us convert this cos 64 into sin. What will happen? Cos square 26 plus what is the complementary angle of 64? Again 26 only. So it will be what? Sin 26. Cos 64 can be written as sin 26. How? This cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. If you take theta as 64, so cos 64 will become sin 90 minus 64, which is equal to sin 26, right? So cos 64 is sin 26. Sin 26 multiply by sin 26, right? So I think the problem will be solved, but we have another term which is tan 36 and cot 54. So you can always write again, if you convert cot into tan and using complementary angle, it will be tan 36. So now my equation is cos square 26 plus sin square 26 plus this will get cancelled 1. This value of this is also 1. Okay, let us take two more examples in different category. Okay, see, it is given that tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Now we need to find the value of a. So how we will do that? We will use again the complementary angle relationship, which is, we know that tan theta is equal to what? Cot 90 minus theta. So we can write tan 2a is equal to cot 90 minus 2a. My theta is 2a, right? So let's convert this. Is equal to what? Cot, right? On both sides our cot is there, so we can just remove the cot. Some students do this cutting thing. This is not right? We should not cut this. Because this is not multiplication, it is a function, right? Here we are not multiplying cot by 90 minus 2a or cot by a minus 18. So we should not use this cutting part, right? You just simply write 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. So now just interchanging the places, 90 plus 18 will get a plus 2a. 3a is 08 and then a is 36, right? Let's take another example. Here we need to show that sin a plus b by 2 is equal to cos c by 2, where ABC are what? Angles of a triangle. Now we know that if ABC are angles of a triangle, our angle sum property says that a plus b plus c is 180, correct? So let us take the left hand side, sin a plus b by 2. Now we can replace this a plus b by what? A plus b will be 180 minus c, correct? Now next step will be just divide by 2. 180 by 2 will be what? 90 minus c by 2, and we know that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So sin 90 minus c by 2 will be what? Cos c by 2. Simple.